today's video, I will be demonstrating how to reset the oil maintenance light on a 2020 Sprinter van. And this works for vans between 2019 and up. So all your 907 Sprinter models will work. So all you gotta do is position 1 to start off with. Make sure you're on the mileage screen. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this button right here, and then after that just press this. Okay, I didn't get it there, but so you hold this and just quickly press it, and there you go. Now you get this screen right here where you're gonna go all the way down to that option right there. Click on that. Now you're gonna put it on position 2. Full service, confirm service, and this is just the oil grade, so it's the first one, and then confirm. And there you go. That's how you reset a mains light on a 2020 Sprinter van.